So this crate has a Phillips Forest Product live edge walnut mantle. So we're building our house, and just wanted to show how this thing came shipped from Texas to Idaho. I've taken the screws off the top, but I haven't seen the mantle yet. I haven't opened it up and had a good look at it, but this is how it comes if you order one of these, and you have to have it shipped. It's pretty impressive. So it's well, it got here safely, let's just put it that way. But we're going to take the lid off and have a look at this mantle. So again, just looking at the packaging on this mantle, if you order one of these. Not cheap, by the way. This is incredible packing. So they do take care of it. They take a lot of pride in what they do. That's Phillips Forest Products in Texas. So yeah, if you're interested in any really cool wood products, you know, we'll have a look at this pretty soon. But man, I'm almost afraid to take the wrapping off. It looks so good. Alright, so this is our fireplace mantle. I think it's going to be really nice, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. Solid walnut. I think it'll make a nice addition to our fireplace, stone fireplace, and yeah, I'm really happy with this. Highly recommend if you're looking for something like this for a mantle. This was a good choice.